In this tutorial, we are going to continue with the exam practical questions so that you are helped in terms of preparing for your upcoming exams. Okay, so we have a question there which is saying, write the structural formulas of the following compound. Okay, so we've been given 4 compounds there and we are to write their structural formulas. Okay, so let's start with the first one. We've been given 2-chloro, 5-methyl, hexane. Okay, so here when writing the structure, the first thing that I usually consider is the parent name that you've been given. Okay, so here if you check this one here, it's ending with the AL. Okay, so and I've put a table here to show the priorities of the functional groups, and their suffix names when they are parent names, and their prefix name when they are actually substituents. Okay, so in this case, you notice that the parent name is ending with AL. Okay, so if you check the functional group that have AL when it's a parent name as a suffix ending with AL, it's actually an aldehyde here. Okay, so this one here. So you notice that when an aldehyde is a parent name, it's going to carry AL as the suffix name. Okay, and then when it's a substituent, it's going to carry oxo, just like a ketone is also going to carry oxo. That's their prefix name. Okay, so in this case, since we are having hexano there, okay, so it means that it's a 6-carbon ring with an aldehyde as a functional group. Okay, so let's draw that. So you know that the functional group of an aldehyde is going to look like this. This is a hydrogen. We're going to have a carbon which is double bonded to oxygen like that. Okay, so let me just write it properly. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so we have this carbon being double bonded to oxygen. Okay, so you can see this is the functional group that we are talking about here. Okay, so we have a hydrogen, then we have this carbon, the second carbon, being bonded to oxygen. Okay, then we have, so this is carbon number 1. So the first carbon is the one bonded to, double bonded to oxygen. Okay, so this is our carbon number 1. This is our carbon number 2. We have our carbon number 3 there, our carbon number 4, our carbon number 5, and our carbon number 6. That's 4 eggs. Okay, so we are done with the chain there. Okay, sorry, so it's this one. We are done with the chain there. The next thing we'll have to consider are the substituents that are there. So you notice that here we are having 2-chloro. So it means that at portion number 2 we have a chloro, isn't it? So this is carbon number 1. At portion number 2 we have a chlorine attached there, right? When a halide is a substituent, it's going to have a chloro there. So that's for chlorine. Okay, so that is when it's a substituent, it's going to have to end with chloro there. Okay, then at portion number 5 we have a methyl group, isn't it? So this is portion number 2, this is portion number 3, and this is portion number 5. Okay, so we're going to have a methyl group. So you can just write a single arrow there like that. It's okay. If you want, you can also put CH3. It's also okay like that. Okay, so that's for question number 1. This is the structure for question number 1 there. Okay, so let's go to the second one. Okay, so the second one, we are having 3,5 dimethyl, 4 hexene, 1 io. Okay, so this is the suffix name for an alkyl, isn't it? So the alkane with a triple bond, this one. Okay, so you notice that the suffix name is going to end with T, Y, N, E. Okay, so in this case, it means that we have this hexane, and then this one here, it tells us at portion number 1, that's where we're having a triple bond. Okay, so in this case, we're saying this is hex, so it means that you have a 6-carbon member trim, isn't it? So this is our carbon number 1, this is our carbon number 2, number 3. Okay, so let me draw it properly. Okay, so we have carbon number 1 there, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And we are being told that carbon number 1, that's where the triple bond is going to be located by this 1 here. So it means that the triple bond is at position number 1. Okay, and then we are also being told that we have 3,5 dimethyl, isn't it? Okay, so here we have 3,5 dimethyl. So now this dimethyl, it means that we have two methyl groups, but not at the same position. One is at position number 3. So since this is position number 1, number 2, number 3, so one is at position number 3, we have a methyl group there, and the other one, so this is position number 4, this is position number 5. So we have another methyl group at position number 5. Okay, so now you notice there's this 4. Okay, so this 4 and there's En here. So the 4 and the En, this En is actually a prefix name of an alkene when it's a substituent. Okay, so when an alkene, it means that a double bond is not a parent name. When it's a parent name, it's going to end with Ene. When it's a substituent, they didn't put here, but when it's a substituent, it's going to end with En like that. Okay, so in this case, we are being told that portion number 4, we are having a double bond. Okay, so which one is portion number 1? 4. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, isn't it? So at this position, you notice that you're going to have a double bond like that. Okay, so at portion number 4. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, so this is the structure for the second one. Okay, so let's move. We go to the next one. Okay. Now the next one is telling us that we are having a 6 hydroxyl, 3 methyl, 5 oxo, hexano. Okay, so now here the parent name is still an aldehyde, isn't it? Okay, so we have an aldehyde as a parent name, and then now we are having a 5 oxo. So this oxo, it means that if you're having either a ketone and an aldehyde as if a substituent, it means that you're going to carry oxo. And you know the functional group, functional group, this functional groups has carbon being double bonded to oxygen, isn't it? So it means that this substituent, you are going to see it at position number 5 as well. Okay, then we have a 4,6 dimethyl. Okay, so okay, so we are on the third one there. Okay, so we have a 6 hydroxyl and a 3 methyl there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so it's hex. Okay, so it's hex means that we're having a 6 carbon membered ring as well. Okay, so let's start with hydrogen there since it's an aldehyde. So this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6 there. Okay, and then at carbon number 1, we know we are having uh, 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 carbon being double bonded to oxygen so that we form this functional group of an aldehyde, isn't it? So this is carbon number 1 there, right? So this is our carbon number 1, this is our carbon number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay, and we have been told at carbon number 5, we are having um, an oxo. Okay, so we're having an oxo. So they are substituent when an aldehyde or a ketone. So in this case, a ketone is a substituent. It's going to carry oxo, right? Like that. Okay, at portion number 5. And then at portion number 3 here, okay, we are having a methyl group. So we can put a methyl group there. Then at portion number 6, this is portion number 6. So we can extend the bond like that. This is carbon number 6. We can extend the bond. It's bonded to an hydroxy. So if an alcohol, so let me go where the alcohol is. So if an alcohol is a substituent, it's going to carry the prefix name hydroxyl, isn't it? So in this case, we're having hydroxyl, an alcohol as a substituent like that. Okay, so that's it for this one here. Okay, for the last one, which is question number 6 there. So we're having 4,6 dimethyl. Okay, 5 octene. So for oct, that's 8 carbon chain, isn't it? Right? Then we have octi in Okay, again here we're having a double bond as a substituent at portion number 5, right? And then we have 1. So now for 1, you notice that for a ketone, okay, so as a ketone, this ketone here, when it's a parent name, okay, it carries a suffix name of 1, it ends with 1. So it means that we are having a ketone here, right? And this two, it means that it tells us the position where the functional group is, okay? So it means that at carbon number 2, that's where we're having a functional group. So let's do that. Well, that is carbon number 1 here. Okay, so let me draw it properly. So that is carbon number 1. This is carbon number 2. So at carbon number 2, that's where we are being told that we are having our functional group there, right? That's a ketone, right? So 1, 2, there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, right? Okay. And then we are being told that at portion number 5, we are having a double bond. This is portion number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, so at portion number 5, we have a double bond there, right? Okay. This is portion number 6, 7, 8, like that, isn't it? Okay, so for oct, we are going to have 8 carbons like that, right? So we're having a double bond at portion number 5, and then at portion number 3, at portion number 4, we are being told we're having a methyl group, right? Okay, so since it's a dimethyl, it means that you have 2 methyl in along the ring, isn't it? So one is at portion number 4, and the other one is going to be at portion number 6 there. Okay, so that's how you answer such questions. Okay, so these questions we are gotten from the practical questions that we are given. So let me just show you. Okay, so this is the entire paper for the practical questions that you are given. Okay, so these are the practical questions that you are given. So, okay, so just make sure you know all these questions, and the good part is that we've recorded all the solutions for these questions here. Okay, so all these questions, the video solutions have been recorded on the website. Okay, so we also had the good part again is that at the end for these practical questions, we had a lab question, this one. Okay, so a lab sample question, which we've also done in class, and we recorded the video on the website. So if you want to access the full video solutions for these practical questions, you can go on our website. So let me just show you how you can open our website. Okay, so you go on your browser, your Play Store, or if you are using an Android phone, you can go on your Play Store, you download the app, Discrete Learning Institute app. Then you can create an account, you subscribe with us, then you should be able to access the folder for chemistry. Okay, for iPhone users, and also Android users, if you want, you can just go on the website you typed on your browser, okay, Chrome or Google, you just type Discrete Learning Institute like that, okay, then you search. Okay, so once you search, it will take you to the website, and then it will ask you to create an account if you don't have. Once you create an account, you can subscribe to the course of your choice. So for example, if you subscribe for chemistry, so you can open the folder for chemistry there. Okay. So once you open the folder for chemistry, you find those folders, general chemist, apex, and so you go where I say general chemistry. So you open the folder written general chemistry. Okay. Okay. So let me just wait for it to open. Okay, yeah. So you'll find that there are these folders: topic solutions, tutorial sheets, quizzes. Okay, so you go where it's saying quizzes there. Okay, past papers and quizzes. That's where you go. Okay. Then okay. So once you open, you see these folders. You pick your university. For example, UNLAS there. You can go on UNLAS. Okay. Okay. Then you have semesters. So you go you pick your second semester there. Okay. Okay, so you find these other folders as well. Okay, so for written solution, video solutions are there now. Okay, so you open the folder for video solution, and then you are going to find the coded videos for the past papers. For example, for 2026 MCQs, session B, 2024, and the likes. Okay, so for the practical questions, we have this one here. Okay, so you find that all those practical questions were solved. Okay, freezing point, depression, uh, uh, equilibrium constant here, the chemical kinetic question, the IC table question, and the lab sample. The last question was also solved. Okay, so you can also access the quizzes that you had. I don't know, it's the test quizzes that you had. You can find them on the website and the other videos. Okay, so also remember this question was based on organic chemistry, so you can also go in the folder written if you want to understand more in terms of organic chemistry, you can go on the folder written tutorial sheet and assessment. Okay, so once you go in that folder, you're going to notice that you have okay, so you pick your university UNLAS. You have the tutorial sheet videos also have been recorded from tutorial sheet 1 to tutorial sheet 6. Okay, so you notice that you open the semester, second semester there as well, just like we did. Now we have the intakes there. So you go in 2026 January intake for your tutorial sheets. Okay, so once you open there, you're going to notice that you have video solutions for the tutorial sheet 1 to 6 there. Okay, so for organic chemistry, you can open the folder for organic chemistry there. You'll find the video solution available on the website. Okay, so that's what we had today. Okay, so thank you so much. Enjoy uh your your day.